The rise of the mega data center, how AI is creating a new infrastructure boom. Artificial intelligence is transforming the global economy in ways few predicted just a few years ago. While much of the public attention has focused on AI chatbots, image generators, and automation tools, a much larger story is unfolding behind the scenes. Across the world, companies are investing hundreds of billions of dollars in a new generation of mega data centers designed to power the AI revolution. These facilities have become the digital factories of the modern economy. They store information, process enormous amounts of data, train advanced AI models, and provide the computing power required for cloud services used by billions of people every day. As demand for artificial intelligence continues growing, the race to build larger and more powerful data centers has become one of the biggest investment trends in global markets. Technology companies are spending at unprecedented levels. Industry leaders are allocating vast sums toward infrastructure expansion, viewing computing capacity as one of the most valuable strategic assets of the future. The scale of these projects would have been difficult to imagine only a decade ago. Modern AI systems require enormous computational resources. Training advanced models can involve processing trillions of pieces of information across thousands of specialized computer chips, operating continuously for weeks or even months. Once deployed, these systems continue consuming large amounts of computing power as users interact with them around the clock. To support this demand, companies are building facilities far larger than traditional data centers. Some new projects cover millions of square feet and contain tens of thousands of servers. These complexes often resemble industrial manufacturing facilities more than traditional office buildings. The financial implications are enormous. Individual AI-focused data center projects can cost billions of dollars to construct. Beyond the buildings themselves, operators must invest in advanced networking systems, cooling technology, backup power supplies, cybersecurity infrastructure, and highly specialized computer hardware. Investors have taken notice. Data center companies, semiconductor manufacturers, electrical equipment suppliers, and infrastructure developers have become major beneficiaries of the AI boom. Many firms connected to these industries have experienced strong growth as investors anticipate years of expanding demand. One of the biggest challenges facing the sector is electricity. AI data centers consume vast amounts of energy, making power availability a critical factor in site selection. In some regions, utilities are struggling to keep pace with growing demand from technology companies. As a result, access to reliable electricity is becoming a competitive advantage. One of the biggest challenges facing the sector is electricity. As a result, access to reliable electricity is because renewable energy has become a key part of this strategy. Technology companies have signed major agreements with solar and wind developers to support data center operations. Long-term power contracts help firms manage costs while advancing sustainability goals. However, renewable energy alone may not be sufficient to meet future demand. One of the biggest challenges facing the sector is electricity. AI data centers consume vast amount of energy, making power availability a critical factor in site selection. In some regions, utilities are struggling to keep pace with growing demand from technology companies. Renewable energy has become a key part of this strategy. Technology companies have signed major agreements with solar and wind developers to support data center operations. Long-term power contracts help firms manage costs while advancing sustainability goals. Supply chains are experiencing similar effects. Demand for computer chips, networking equipment, transformers, cooling systems, and construction materials has surged. Manufacturers throughout the technology ecosystem are expanding production capacity to keep pace with our orders. The semiconductor industry sits at the center of this transformation. AI systems depend on advanced chips capable of performing complex calculations at extraordinary speeds. As demand grows, chip manufacturers are investing heavily in new production facilities and research initiatives. Governments around the world view these developments as strategically important. Artificial intelligence is increasingly seen as key driver of economic growth, innovation, and national competitiveness. Policymakers are introducing incentives designed to attract data center investment and strengthen domestic technology sectors. The United States remains a leading destination for AI infrastructure projects, but competition is intensifying. Countries across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East are investing heavily in digital infrastructure to position themselves as future technology hubs. Despite strong optimism, challenges remain. Building and operating mega data centers requires enormous capital expenditure. Companies must carefully balance investment levels against uncertain future demand. Some analysts warn that excessive expansion could eventually create overcapacity in certain markets. Environmental concerns are also receiving greater attention. Data centers require substantial electricity and water resources, leading some communities to question the long-term sustainability of rapid expansion. Technology firms are investing in more efficient designs to address these concerns. Water usage has become a particularly important issue. Cooling systems are essential for maintaining optimal operating temperatures within large facilities. As data center development accelerates, companies are exploring alternative cooling technologies designed to reduce environmental impacts. Cybersecurity remains another critical priority. Data centers house valuable information and support essential digital services. Operators must continuously invest in security systems capable of defending against increasingly sophisticated threats. The emergence of edge computing is adding another layer to the infrastructure story. While mega data centers provide centralized computing power, smaller facilities located closer to users can reduce latency and improve performance. Together, these systems form the foundation of the modern digital economy. Financial analysts believe that infrastructure build-out associated with AI may continue for many years. Demand for computing power shows few signs of slowing, and businesses across industries are finding new ways to integrate artificial intelligence into operations. Healthcare providers are using AI to improve diagnostics and research. Financial institutions are applying machine learning to risk management and fraud detection. Manufacturers are deploying intelligent systems to optimize production process. These applications require substantial computing resources, further supporting infrastructure demand. The economic impact extends beyond the technology sector. Construction companies, utility providers, equipment manufacturers, engineering firms, and logistics businesses are all benefiting from increased investment. In many regions, data centers have become major contributors to economic growth. Investors increasingly view AI infrastructure as a long-term opportunity rather than a short-term trend. Just as roads, railways, and telecommunication networks supported previous eras of economic expansion, digital infrastructure may become the foundation of the next phase of global growth. Looking ahead, the race to build AI infrastructure is likely to intensify. Companies are competing not only to develop advanced artificial intelligence, but also to secure the computing resources needed to support future innovation. The outcome of this competition could shape the global economy for decades. Nations capable of attracting infrastructure investment may strengthen their positions as technology leaders. Businesses with access to powerful computing resources could gain significant advantages in productivity and innovation.